Hello students, myself Manoj Pandey from the LPM Public School. Today we discuss the sum point of a complex number. Now conjugate of a complex number. Conjugate of a complex number. Conjugate of complex number. Conjugate of complex number z. Let z is equal to a plus ib. Let z is equal to a plus ib. This is a complex number. This is a complex number. Now write the conjugate of a complex number. Then conjugate of complex number denoted by z bar, and z bar is equal to a plus ib bar, and it can be written as a minus ib. It can be written as a minus ib. Now we conclude that the definition of a conjugate. We conclude that the definition of a conjugate of a complex number is obtained by changing the sign of imaginary part of a complex number. Changing the sign of imaginary part of a complex number. So z equal to a plus ib. A is the real part of complex number and ib is the imaginary part of complex number. Then we find the conjugate of a complex number. Now change the sign of imaginary part, then we get the conjugate of complex number z is represented by z bar equal to a minus ib. For example, z is equal to 3 plus 1 by 5i. So z bar is equal to 3 minus 1 upon 5i. Z and z bar. Z bar is the conjugate of complex number. Now it is clear. Next, as the property of complex number, property of a complex number. Now properties of a conjugate of complex number. Now let z1 and z2 be a two complex number. Let z1 and Z2 be complex number. Then the first property, Z equal to Z bar, Z equal to Z bar. First property, Z equal to Z bar. Then A plus IB, A minus IB, A cancel, IB plus IB equal to 0 and 2IB equal to 0 and B equal to 0. So implies that Z is purely real. Now Z equal to Z bar, A plus IB equal to A minus IB. The real part of both sides be cancelled. Now find the imaginary part. 2IB equal to 0 and B equal to 0. So B equal to 0, the complex number is a purely imaginary. Now the second property, Z plus Z bar, A plus IB, A minus IB. 2A equal to 0 and A equal to 0 implies that Z is a purely imaginary. Implies that Z is purely imaginary. This is the second property of the conjugate of complex number. Now here the real part be 0. When the real part be 0, then the complex number is purely imaginary. And Z bar property number third, Z bar and bar equal to Z. So A minus IB bar equal to A plus IB. This is the property number 3. And the Z1 plus property number 4, Z1 plus Z2 bar, Z1 plus Z2 bar equal to Z1 bar plus Z2 bar. And the sum of two complex number, conjugate of sum of two complex number is equal to the conjugate of separate complex number. Conjugate of separate complex number. So such that bar of Z1 plus Z2 equal to Z1 bar plus Z2 bar. This is the fourth property of the complex number. And the fifth property z1 minus z2 bar. Fifth property z1 minus z2 bar is equal to z1 bar minus z2 bar. z1 minus z2 bar equal to z1 bar minus z2 bar, यानी difference of the conjugate of complex number is equal to the conjugate of difference of separate number. यानी कि अगर आप z1 माइनस z2 का बार करते हैं तो वो अलग अलग कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर के रूप में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होगा, यानी कि z1 माइनस z2 बार. एंड द प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 6 z1 इंटू z2 बार इक्वल टू z1 बार इंटू z2 बार, यानी कि कंजुगेट ऑफ multiple of two number is equal to the conjugate of multiple of separate number. And the property number 7 for the division z1 upon z2 bar is equal to z1 bar upon z2 bar, where z2 not equal to 0, where z2 not equal to 0. So therefore this is the property of conjugate of a complex number. Now here the each and every property of conjugate of a complex number related to that. Now thanks today.